This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Wow, it has been raining cats and dogs outside. Thank Tibidaba, I'm staying home. Oh, weather like that has surely ruined a lot of people's hair. Hey, what's this? Sammy, is this a trick? Phew, it's just a paper doll. And apparently she got caught in that terrible rain too. But we'll fix that. Are you with me, friends? Let's go. We will start with her hairdo. A tip from a pro, you need to wear gloves for this work. Let's proceed with the hair dyeing. I think our doll will look fine as a blonde. Oh, I almost forgot an important ingredient. Awesome. Now let's mix it thoroughly and the makeover will begin. The client is ready. Let's take a hair strand and wrap it in foil. Dye is here. Now carefully apply it to the hair. Wow, looks great. We'll wrap the strand to make the dye hold better. And now we can proceed. Wait a little while for the pigment to show up. In the meantime, I'm gonna check on the water. It's all working. Wow, her hair is so bright now. Let's wash off the excess. Although, we could add some color. Hey, I think the shower's against it. Now let's apply some hair care products, like this. Here we go. Check this out. Here is a fluffy bubble foam. Oh, be careful, it stings. Let me gently rinse it. That's better. Oops, the hair's a bit tangled. I'll fix it. Watch and learn, friends. If your hair gets tangled, use some hair conditioner. Distribute it gently over the length of the hair, like this. And then rinse it off with warm water. Now your hair is clean and soft. We'll let it dry. While cleaning up here, a stylist's desk should always be tidy. Your hair has got to be dried out now. Wow, check this out! It's so soft. Oops, we need to wait a bit more. Oh, I'm sorry. We'll just change the plan then. Let's dry the hair properly with this. Wait, it's not my hair I have to dry. Yay, I'm done! Finally, I can take my gloves off. I won't need them anymore today. A real stylist keeps up with fashion trends. Let's see. Huh? And who put this picture in here? The best hairstyle for you? Sam's bossing me around again. Although, he's right. This one's perfect for the doll. Very soon, she will have a stylish haircut. Oh, that's better. Oops, actually, I forgot about the bangs. Done! Give a thumbs up if you like it. What does the model have to say? Here you go. She approves! Yay! But I think there's something missing. Right, I have an idea. The dolls with straight hair always want curls. Is it the same for you? It came out great, right? We need to add just one finishing touch. Ah, where was it? There you are, a hairpin. The perfect accessory for every fashionista. And this one is really cool too. We'll definitely put this one on as well. Oops! I'm guessing she doesn't like her new look. Okay, I'll make it up to her with new makeup. Stay tuned. Our paper doll looks really tired. Let's help her relax. Makeup is the best cover-up for fatigue. First, we'll clean her skin with wet wipes. You should get rid of wipes with one precise throw. Oops! Sorry, Sammy! We need foam for deep cleansing. It gently cleanses all of the pores and skin. Let's lather it up. Massage her face with a sponge, too, like this. The cleansing stage hasn't finished yet. We need to apply a refreshing toner. Hey, where are you going? Come back here. You should make time for yourself. Where are they? I definitely remember putting them here. Aha! We'll use these patches to remove the bags from under your eyes. Let's leave them for a while. Here we go. You can take a little nap now.
Aha! Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Oh! Wow! Whoop.
I almost fell asleep myself. Let's see how great it turned out. Yay! No more tired eyes. And here's my favorite part, a tissue face mask. It's also good to use incense sticks. Enjoy the scent. Wow, our dolly looks awesome! And now let's hydrate her skin with a serum. Just a few drops all over her face. We'll help it soak in. Pop, pop, pop. So pretty. Now let's get her makeup on. Or shall we dance to the beat? Oops! I think I've missed one step. We need to apply some face cream first. Her lips are too dry. They also need moisturizing. I have a special balm for it. Now her skin is glowing, and it gets even better from here. It's beauty time! So, are you ready to complete our doll's look? Let's start with a makeup foundation. And here's my special brush set, which will make our job easier. So, which one to choose? I think this one will do. Let's gently blend concealer under her eyes. Like this. We need to clean the brush now. Or maybe I should paint first. Alright, let's get back to work. Now the base will come in handy. Let's go. We'll take a sponge and carefully distribute the base against her face skin. Forehead, the cheeks, the nose, it all needs our attention. And here's something else for a striking look. Let's start with contouring. It helps add volume to her facial features. And we need some highlighter for the glowing effect. Use some blush. I like to apply it with my finger. How about a temporary tattoo, huh? Okay. The guest's wish is the law. What eyeshadow color would you like? Bright pink, maybe? Let's try it on one eyelid first. Wow, so bright. I'm gonna apply it on the other one, too. I love pink makeup. It's my favorite. Now let's comb the eyebrows just a bit. We should pay more attention to the eyelashes. Let's glue them on. Achoo! Whoops! This looks funny. Let's glue them onto the right place. Up. And right here. Now let's apply 5D mascara. We just need to pick a lipstick. So, which color is the best? I like this one. We have lipsticks for any occasion here. Let's try it. This color is great. Only now I want to try a different one. Don't panic. We'll remove it. And now we'll try this shade. All shades of pink. I love it! I also want to add a few more details. Wow, this is insanely stylish. Makeup artist Sue has finished her job. Shall we do a fashion show? Let's go! Yeah, being a stylist is harder than I thought. Hey, careful! What, this again? Wait, what? Looks like our doll has brought her friends. Well, I'm ready. Now I'm a super makeup artist. Give a thumbs up if you like my new job. And see you again very soon. Bye-bye!
Well, what do you all think?
It's your most delicious hot chocolate ever. But I taste something different. What's your secret ingredient?
Ah, if I told you, it wouldn't be a secret.
Chef Thorne put a drop of berry juice in the bottom of each cup.
Bucky, what does secret mean?
Oh.
Thorne, you should call this drink Hot Chocoberry.
That is a great idea, Lilac.
And you should make some more for tonight. We're going down to the pond to watch the northern lights.
Then I'll definitely make some more. It gets cold at night this time of year.
What are the northern lights? I've never seen them.
It only happens at certain times of the year. It's when the night sky turns all kinds of beautiful colors. Green, blue, purple, and...
Wow! I can't wait to see that.
Hang on, I'm getting another idea. Since the pond is frozen, why don't we bring our ice skates tonight? Oh, and I have an even better idea. Why don't we put on an ice show? A show? Yes, I'll direct it. We'll call it Ice Dance Under the Northern Lights. Let's get started right away. Meet you all at the pond, and don't forget your skates.
Did we just agree to put on an ice show?
I thought we were just gonna watch the northern lights together.
We were, but Lilac's idea could be fun. Let's give it a try.
Okay.
Why not?
I guess we could try.
Hiya, Ellery. I guess you like Thorne's hot chocoberry. Thorne's making a big batch for the lily buds. They're putting on an ice show later on the pond. Here, you want some more? Huh? Where did he go?
This final high-speed twirl will end the show. I think I twirled too hard. Lilac, we're not as good as you are on the ice. Can't we just slide around? I can teach all of you to skate, don't worry.
Lilac! Rose!
I honestly don't think anything good will come from me being in an ice show. Oh! I'm sure I'll be better off just watching the show.
Watching the show! What a great idea! We'll need an audience. Thistle, can you invite all the animals in the park?
Sure. Leave it to me.
I was thinking I could decorate the pond for the show instead of, being in the show.
A few winterberry bushes would actually set off the show nicely. Thank you, Moss.
I'm on it!
Now, back to our twirl.
Lilac! Hello!
I wonder why they're not coming over. I'll be right back. Practice your twirl. Why don't you come skate with us?
I can't really skate that well.
And I, twisted my ankle this morning. Just a little, of course, but I probably shouldn't skate. Of course you shouldn't skate.
Yay! Thank you, Lila.
Don't worry, Cap. I can teach you how to skate. I was planning a show with 6 of us, but now it's just you, Rose, and me.
Ellery, let go!
That was amazing! Ellery, I had no idea you knew how to skate so well.
Oh, thank you, Lilac. I am one of the best chipmunk skaters around. Of course, I could always improve. If only an ice skating expert would magically appear to teach me.
Why not me? I'll teach you. And you can be part of the ice show.
Ellery's in the show. We see you don't need me anymore, right?
I accept! This is a dream come true for me. By the way, when is the hot choco berry served to us hardworking performers? We need all the energy we can get, right?
That's for after the show. For now, let's get you on the ice. Now we have 2 pairs for the ice show. It's perfect. Follow us. We have lots to learn.
Just like Lilac wanted. Now for a few more.
Hello? I'm in here.
Huh? The bush is talking to me?
Oh boy, guess you didn't see me. I'm Guillaume.
Oh, sorry, I'm Moss. Wait, don't turtles usually hibernate for the winter?
Oh yes, my turtle friends and I all swim across the pond to our winter home. But I got separated and the pond froze and now...
Don't worry, Guillaume. I'll ask my friends to help and we'll get you across the pond. Wait right here.
That I can do.
Daffodil, you must be joking.
No, it's true. Ellery is the star of Lilac's ice show, and word around the pond is he's very good.
Good at tricking people. If I know that chipmunk, and I do, he's just trying to get his paws on some hot choco berry.
Does seem to like your foot best, Chef Thorne. You should be happy to have such a fan.
Please come down to the pond right away.
What is it, Moss? Did something happen to the skaters?
No, they're fine. We have to help someone. Hurry, it's getting cold out there.
I better take this hot choco berry. Bucky, get started on another batch right away.
I'm on it, Chef Thorne.
I'm sorry, Lilac. All the animals in the park are sleeping for the winter. There's no one left to come to the show.
Well, maybe we should cancel the ice show and...
I have to agree with Cap.
Absolutely not. With all the hard work that Lilac has put into this show, you want to cancel? We should be thanking her and encouraging her. The show must go on.
He's right. The show must go on.
And the hot choco berry must be served.
Wait, Ellery is getting some hot chocolate the reason you...
Cap, Rose, let's practice your moves. Ellery knows his curls already.
He's right over there, Thorne. Oh, yummy. He was right here. Guillaume!
Well, I'm still here. It's just warmer inside this winterberry bush.
That should do the trick.
Oh, how delicious! Thank you. I just need to get across the pond before the northern lights shine. That's when we, my turtle friends and I, move to our winter home.
But the northern lights shine tonight.
What? If I don't get across the pond tonight, I won't see my friends until spring. Oh, I have to get going.
Oh, don't worry, Guillaume. We'll get you there in time.
Sure, we'll use my sled.
Finally mine.
Stop that chipmunk!
Out of my way! The chocoberry! No! All that ice twirling for nothing.
Poor Guillaume. But how are we going to get him across the pond? It's getting darker and darker. And Ellery took the sled. I knew that chipmunk would try to get some of that hot chocolate.
It's my fault. He fooled me into thinking he was a skating star. I was so caught up in putting on a spectacular ice show, I forgot about everything else.
The truth is, Lilac, none of us really wanted to be in an ice show.
We just all wanted to be together to watch the northern lights.
We should have been honest with you from the beginning. We're sorry.
You're such good friends to each other. I wish I could be with my friends tonight.
I have another idea, my best one yet. Oh, don't worry, you'll love it this time. It's for him.
Oh, here they come.
Steady, steady, steady.
Great job, guys.
Oh,
Don't worry, I won't let go. Time to get you home. Let's take this show on the road, partner.
There they are.
Beautiful. Northern lights.
see you all next spring.